In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in an Odoo website. To get started, open your Odoo website and navigate to the page where you want the button to appear. Once you're on that page, look to the top right corner and click the Edit option. This will switch your page into editing mode, which allows you to make visual changes directly on the website without needing to work with code. That's one of the nice things about Odoo's website builder. It's designed to be simple and very user-friendly. After entering edit mode, move your attention to the panel on the right side of the screen. This is the editing pane where you'll find the tools and website elements you can add to your page. In that pane, click on the Blocks tab. The Blocks section contains different pre-built content elements that you can use to customize your page layout, including text sections, images, banners, and of course buttons. Once you're inside the Blocks tab, look for the button block. Depending on your Odoo version or website theme, it may appear on its own or as part of a section that includes call-to-action elements. Take a moment to identify the one that best fits the layout of your page. If you have a lot of blocks available, scrolling carefully through the list can help you find it faster. When you've found the button block, simply drag it from the right panel and drop it onto your page in the position where you want it to appear. As you place it, think about the user experience and choose a spot where visitors can easily see it and interact with it. For example, buttons are often most effective when placed near important text, product information, or a call to action. After dropping the button onto the page, you can configure it. This is where you customize how the button looks and what it does. You can usually edit the button text, choose where it links, and adjust styling options to better match the design of your website. It's a good idea to make the text clear and action-oriented so visitors immediately understand the purpose of the button. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, your button is ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a button to your Odoo website.